Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have a metal detector.
A metal detector made by Ginour. Alright, Annalisa, go ahead and open that box. Metal detector. Do you know that I bought my first metal detector back in the mid to late 70s? And I remember as a teenager taking it in my backyard, and I think the very first day I found an Indian head penny. It was just a penny, but I was thrilled. Alright, now what that is?
No.
Show that ring.
What is it?
That's the base of the metal detector, and that's the part that will detect metal. It all connects together. And go ahead and unpackage all that stuff, and we'll figure out how it goes.
What is this, like a shovel?
Alright, comes with a shovel. This is not just any shovel, this is like a camping shovel. But it's good for, say you got some coins in the ground, you don't have to dig a deep hole and just cut one little area. Now I would imagine that attaches, that goes into place. We'll figure it all out. What else you got? That goes around your arm.
Like this?
I think the underside. Underside.
What do you mean?
The underside of your arm. There you go. I think it goes like that and straps in. And so what we need to do is just unpackage all that. Ginour. Pinpoint. That'll be the part of the metal detector that tells you you found something.
So
And a carrying case. Tell you what, this is much more sophisticated than the one I purchased back in the 70s. And I got an expensive one. I think it was a couple of $100.
headphones.
Cool. Comes with headphones. And it looks like you have a 1/8 inch jack. Alright. Well, the next thing we gotta do, Annalisa, we gotta read the directions. See if we can assemble this. And we'll be back. So the cool thing about the shovel that comes with it is you got this camouflage carrying bag. And the shovel's all folded. You fold it out. Then you tighten it up. Okay, and following the user manual, step number 1, we're going to take our control box. First of all, there's 2 compartments here in the bottom where you'll insert 9-volt batteries, one on each side. And we're going to take our handle here, and this will insert into this latch right here, and it'll snap right in place, and then you're going to securely tighten it down. There we go. Okay, we're on to step number 2. We're going to take our search coil and our lower stem, and we're going to insert the lower stem right into the search coil. Just loosen this screw, take that out, and line this up. Put the screw back in, and tighten it up. Okay, And step number 3, we're going to connect the upper stem to the lower stem. Just pressing this silver button right here. And find a desirable length depending upon your height. And snap it in place. Alright, so now we're ready to connect our control box to the upper stem. And that just slides right in. Hit the silver pin. Locks in place. And tighten it up. Okay, so now we're ready to put our last section together, and that's the arm holder. This will go right over your arm. There's a Velcro strap to hold it securely in place. And on the upper portion, just slide it in. Press the silver button. And snaps right in place. And what's good about the way this is designed, it's designed with this natural bend to relieve the pressure of the weight of the metal detector on your arm and shoulders. Okay, so we now have our metal detector assembled, and we just need to attach this cord from the search coil into the control box. So it is all set to go. I just need to insert the batteries, and what we're going to do is take it outside and put it to the test. Okay, so before we go outside, I just want to show you the control box up close, what it looks like. So over here you have your headphone jack, of course, and on the right side you get this knob which powers on the control box and sets the volume level. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And we have on the menu, the control box has a built-in light, and you can set the brightness by hitting the plus and minus signs. And if you don't need the light on, leave it off because it will use up battery power. Okay, in the mode menu button, you have your sensitivity level. You can set the sensitivity level as to your target, what type of metallic, whether it's iron, steel, copper, silver. And the Ginour metal detector has 3 different tones, and it will determine which type of metal you have discovered. So after you set your sensitivity level, you have your discrimination level. It discriminates against unwanted targets. Say you don't want aluminum, you can discriminate against the lower settings. That would be the lower tone, and you can discriminate against certain objects. And you have notch, and that eliminates the target that you don't want. Just press the menu button, select notch, then press plus or minus to select the target to be notched, and the cursor above the selected target will flash. Press notch again, the target name below the cursor will disappear. And PP pinpoints your object. So your targets up top, you have iron, 5 cents, P-tab, pull tab, 1 cent, 10 cent, 25 cents, and gold, like a gold ring, will fall into that category. Okay, so now we're going to take the metal detector outside and demonstrate how to use it. All right, Annalise and I are in our backyard, and Annalise is going to demonstrate the proper way of using the metal detector. So she's got it strapped in. Just go back and forth. I've placed some items on the ground, and she has found the first one. Now if it was under the surface, she'd get out her shovel and she would dig for it. I just placed a couple of coins on the top and it picked up, what is that coin?
Can't see it.
It's $1.
Oh, yeah,
All right. Okay, go back and forth the surface of the ground. And I think we found another item. And there you go. You found the nickel. All right.
Pick it up.
So this is just a demonstration of how to use the Ginour metal detector, the proper techniques. And Elisa did a good job. She found the coins. All right, so as Annalisa scans our backyard for more coins or treasure, we will put a link in the description below where you may purchase the Ginour metal detector.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.